Hey everybody, just back for a couple minutes. So, sorry, I'm all stuffed up because of allergies. Really bad. So I am making tikka masala tonight. Um, and I am cheating because I'm making the sauce out of a can. I have a really good recipe by a friend of mine, Chef Tovia, that has a YouTube channel as well. He has some great recipes, you guys. If you haven't been over there, go check out Chef Tovia and tell him I sent you. So, my cheating chicken tikka masala will be just the sauce, and I added chicken and onions and red pepper. So nothing fancy, but it looks amazing, it smells amazing, and it tastes amazing. So my husband is hooked on Indian food right now. I've been trying to get him to eat Indian food for years and years. And he finally does it during a lockdown. So, this is what we're having tonight with some brown rice and some boba. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that like button and please subscribe so that you can be aware of my 5,000 people giveaway when I do it really soon. So thanks for watching. You must be a member. You must subscribe in order to be entered into the drawing. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.